Hello children, welcome to Sasufan Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about benefits of yoga and best yoga poses. So let's start the class.
So first we will learn about what are the benefits of yoga for kids.
Benefits of yoga.
It improves body balance, strength and aerobic capacity. It helps to reduce chronic pain such as muscle pain. It enhances the quality of sleep. It works on the child's classroom behavior, focus, and academic performance.
Now we will learn about yoga poses. First, bridge pose.
Setu Bandh Sarvangasan. Bridge pose. It stretches and opens the shoulders, thighs, hips and chest portion, strengthens the back and the hamstrings, increases the flexibility of the spine. This is called bridge pose.
Second, tree pose.
Vrikshasana, tree pose. It improves balance and concentration, strengthens the thick muscles, calves and ankles while stretching the legs and the chest. This is called tree pose.
Third, cobra pose.
Bhujangasana. This is called cobra pose. It strengthens the spine, stretches the chest, shoulders, abdomen and buttocks, stimulates the abdominal organs and releases fatigue and stress. Might be good for managing breathing problems like asthma.
Fourth, cat pose. Marjorie Asana.
Cat pose, Marjorie Asana. It relaxes and stretches the spine, neck, torso and the organs of the abdomen. This is called cat pose, Marjorie Asana.
Fifth, bow pose. Dhanurasana.
Bow pose, Dhanurasana. It stretches and strengthens the back, shoulders, chest and legs, brings flexibility to hip flexor function and regulates the digestive system. This is called bow pose, Dhanurasana.
Sixth, frog pose. Mandukasana.
Frog pose, Mandukasana. It helps stretches the hips, thighs and spine. This is called frog pose, Mandukasana.
7. Easy pose. Sukhasana.
Easy pose, Sukhasana. It is good for the back, thighs and hips, gives a stretch to the knees and feet and helps in negative anxiety and stress. This is called easy pose, Sukhasana.
8. Butterfly pose. Baddha Konasana.
Butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. It stretches the thighs, knees and hips, regulates the intestine and bowel movement for girls, helps in easy and painless menstruation. This is called butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana.
Corpse pose. Savasana.
Corpse pose, Savasana. It keeps the heart rate and blood pressure low, less tension of muscles, low metabolic rate, helps reduce insomnia, anxiety and fatigue, improves productivity, memory, and concentration. It is called corpse pose, Savasana.
10. Chair pose, Utkatasana.
Chair pose, Utkatasana. It works on the thighs, muscles, and ankles, tones the shoulders, hips, and the spine, regulates the digestive system and heart functioning. This is called chair pose, Utkatasana.
11. Hero pose, Virasana.
Hero pose, Virasana. It stretches the spine, quadriceps, and shoulders, improves blood circulation and relieves tiredness of legs, improves digestion and posture. It is called hero pose, Virasana.
12. Boat pose, Naukasana.
Boat pose, Naukasana. It strengthens the core, arms muscle, shoulders and thighs. It is great for the liver and kidneys, helps reduce constipation and alleviates digestive problems. This is called boat pose, Naukasana.
13. Mountain pose, Tadasana.
Mountain pose, Tadasana. It improves posture, strengthens the thighs, legs and ankles, forms the abdomen and hips, improves sleeps. This is called mountain pose, Tadasana.
14. Lion pose, Simhasana.
Lion pose, Simbhasana. A great yoga stretch for the lungs, throat and the respiratory tract. Regulates the functioning of the tonsils and the immune system. Reduces stress, anger and anxiety. Suitable for hyperactive child. This is called lion pose, Simhasana.
Thanks for watching.
Keep learning.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notification.
Thank you.
Bye bye.